You've probably seen them, those viral music channels on YouTube that upload simple videos with nothing more than a logo, a looping background, and a single music track. And guess what? These faceless channels are pulling in over 30 million subscribers, with videos racking up millions, even billions of views. But here's the crazy part. They're making up to $190,000 per month from videos that take just minutes to create. Now, here's the good news. You can build the same kind of channel completely from scratch using AI. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create these viral music videos using powerful AI tools. And don't worry, I've already prepared all the prompts and templates you'll need to follow along. Now, here's a quick preview of what we're building.
No more fear, I'm breaking free. Nothing left but destiny. On the edge of the night, where the stars come alive, I won't back down, I won't hide. We're electric, you and I. On the edge of the night, feel the pulse, feel the light. We were made to burn this bright. On the edge of the night.
Let me break down the exact steps we're going to take, quickly and clearly. First, we'll use ChatGPT to come up with a unique and catchy name for our music channel. Then, we'll design a professional-looking logo using a free AI tool. After that, we'll create original lyrical music with just a few simple prompts. And finally, we'll generate a looping background video and edit everything together into a clean, viral-ready format. Sounds simple, right? Make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss tools, tips, and full tutorials like this one. All right, let's get to work. Step 1. Let's create your channel name. This might seem simple, but trust me, branding is everything when it comes to going viral. A good name can grab attention, make your channel memorable, and even boost your chances of getting recommended by the algorithm. But instead of wasting hours trying to come up with the perfect name, we're going to let ChatGPT do all the heavy lifting. I've already created a custom prompt document that turns ChatGPT into a smart YouTube brand strategist. You'll find the link to the prompt in the description below. All you have to do is copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Add a few basic details about your niche or style. ChatGPT will instantly analyze top-performing music channels and generate 15 unique, catchy name ideas, tailored just for you. Instead of brainstorming for hours, you'll have solid options in seconds. Just scroll through the list and pick the one that fits your vibe. Boom, your channel name ready. Now that we've got our channel name, it's time for logo creation. Step 2, creating a professional logo. If you've ever used AI for image generation, you've probably heard of Leonardo AI. It's hands down one of the best tools out there for creating clean, eye-catching visuals, perfect for YouTube branding. Once you're on the Leonardo AI dashboard, click on the Image Generation tab. Now, head to the prompt box and copy the logo prompt from the document I've linked in the video description. Paste it in, and be sure to replace folder with your actual channel name that you picked from ChatGPT. Next, set the model to Flux DV. Adjust the aspect ratio to 1:1, and then finally click Generate. Leonardo AI will do its magic in just a few seconds. Once it's done, scroll through the generated options and pick the one that fits your brand best. And just like that, you've got a clean custom logo. No designer needed. So now we have a channel name and a professional logo. Let's move on to the lyrics generation. Step 3, lyrics generation. We're going to create original lyrics with ChatGPT and then turn them into a fully produced AI song using Maria. Let's start with the lyrics. Head over to ChatGPT and copy prompt 3 from the document linked in the description. This prompt is custom designed to generate unique and original lyrics based on the theme or mood you want. You can tweak the prompt to fit your vibe. Just paste it in, and in seconds, ChatGPT delivers a full track, complete with a title, verses, chorus, and hook. It's structured, catchy, and ready to be turned into music. But before we move on, smash that like button if you're loving this step-by-step guide, and make sure to subscribe, because 95% of you watching haven't yet subscribed. I drop new AI tools like this every single week. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's bring those lyrics to life using an amazing AI AI music tool called Murea. Head to the link in the description and log in to Murea. Choose the Murea 01 model or create your own custom one. Copy and paste the title and lyrics from ChatGPT. Optionally, you can upload a reference track or pick one from the Murea library. In the description tab, enter the genre, mood, and vocal gender based on what ChatGPT suggested. This helps Murea generate a track that truly matches your vision. Then, just click Create. Murea generates 2 unique versions at once. Once it's done, click to preview your songs.
Running out of daylight, hearts in overdrive, waves are crashing, burning skies. Caught between the silence and the fight, I'm holding on tonight. I've been chasing something more.
They sound incredible, right? You can even extend, trim, or tweak the song if you like. And once you're happy with it, just click download. Boom, you now have a full AI-generated music track. Step 4, create background. Now that we've got our AI-generated music, it's time to set the visual tone with a background image that matches the vibe of your track. Here's how to do it. Open up Leonardo AI again. And this time, use prompt number 4 from the document linked in the description. For best results, switch to the anime model. It's perfect for bold, eye-catching backgrounds that pop. Once your images are generated, scroll through and pick the one that matches the mood of your song. They look like absolute bang, right? Download the one you like best. And now, we're ready to move on to the final step. If you're using Murea's free version, the tool still owns the rights to the music. Always credit Murea AI clearly in your video title and description. Or even better, upgrade to a paid plan to get full commercial rights. This is the safest route if you're serious about turning your channel into a long-term business. Okay, time to bring it all together. To create the final video, head over to the visualizer tool linked in the description. We're going to use the Circle Spectrum project for that clean, minimalist waveform effect. Here's how to set it up. Upload your AI-generated music and click on the background layer. Then choose Change Background Image and upload the image you just created. Set vignette to around 0.25 and mirror to none. And then, in the particles layer, reduce the count to around 500. Then, in the spectrum layer, set the scale to 0.5. Finally, go to the emblem layer, click Change Image, and upload your channel logo. You can preview your animation in real time and adjust settings to your taste. When you're happy with the result, go to the Export tab, click Start Encoding, and your video will be automatically downloaded. Here's a small preview of the final result.
No more fear, I'm breaking free. Nothing left but destiny. On the edge of the night, where the stars come alive, I won't back down, I won't hide. We're electric, you and I. On the edge of the night, feel the pulse, feel the light. We were made to burn this bright. On the edge of the night.
And just like that, you've created a complete AI-generated music video in just minutes. This niche is still fresh, untapped, and surprisingly profitable. And now you have the full blueprint to start your own faceless YouTube music channel. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.